Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send files from your phone to this laptop. So for this purpose I'm gonna be using the pairdrop.net website, so make sure that you have an internet connection. Now open your web browser and search for the pairdrop.net website, and you'll see the official pairdrop.net web page as the first search result. Click on it. Now to link your phone to this laptop, click the link icon that is located right here in the top right corner. Then you can either input this code that you see right here into this field on your phone when you open this website on your phone. Alternatively, you can just scan this QR code you can see in front of you using your phone's web camera in order to connect to this to connect your phone directly to this session. I'm gonna use this method because it's more convenient for me. Okay, now once you scan the QR code, your phone is and click in the link. Click the link on your phone, it will be automatically connected to this website. Now you'll see the icon of your laptop on the phone. Click on it, select a file that you want to send, click add, then accept the file on your laptop, and then wait until it's sent to your laptop. And now you can open the file using, for example, the image viewer. And as you can see, here it is. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.